What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, a licensed cosmetologist, showing you guys my self-taught braid journey. Okay, today I will be trying out a full head of Medusa braids on my lovely client. This girl is so sweet. This was our first time like officially meeting. We went to school together and we just meshed great. We were just chatting it up. Make sure you are following her on Instagram. It will be in the description box along with everything I used. You guys know I am doing the battle of the shine and jams. That video will be coming up if it's not already out. And today I will be using the red shine and jam. We are going to be doing those little wavy braids. This is my first time trying it and I think they came out super cute. So when it came to her hair, she has full hair. Her hair is fine, but it is thick, and I know that could sound like contradictory, but when you're in hair school, you know there's a difference in between how thick someone's hair texture is and how much hair they have on their head, you know. So she has a lot of hair per square inch on her head, but her strands are thinner and they are finer. So it was so easy to braid her hair. I enjoyed braiding her hair. The only thing, she has bleached ends. So when it came to the product, you know, really tucking those ends and making them smooth, it was not doing that. And that really wasn't on her, that was on the product. Like, I don't understand why the shine and jam was not doing that, but since then I have found a better product that I will be disclosing to you guys very soon. I'm sorry for all that background noise, my phone keeps going off. But these braids came out so cute. I'm so excited to have her back. Just like all my models, I really do want them to come back for a second video, just so you guys can see the true growth that I am achieving on this braid journey. So one thing that is helping me with the Medusa braids is that I am pre-sectioning the up and down portions of the braids. You're going to be seeing that. When it comes to her hair, I'm not adding in a lot of hair in the front. I might add in just like one piece and then add in more once we get to the bottom and the back. Once I do like a couple up and downs, then I'm just going straight down in the back, as you're going to see. Like always, I did pre-section her. It just helps you to map out what you're going to be doing to the head, especially like if you part as you go, you might lose space in your nape, and that's just terrible. That is not it. So it's so important to pre-part, and that is what I'm going to be doing on her. So just stay tuned for this video and I'm come back at the end. We loved these results. She looks so good. Her edges were giving what they supposed to give. We left out, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is the end of this video. She loved her results. I loved her results. I think I did spray with a bit of hairspray at the end. The edges were giving what they were supposed to give, honey, and we loved it. The Medusa braids are definitely a go. I would love to try them smaller too, but I love them really big. Like, I love 6. But I would do like 8 or 10 small ones too, just to see how that looks. So make sure you're following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja, and I'll see you next week for another hair tutorial. See you then. Mwah.